exams creates no value. Next is solve. Now it has three sub questions. So 2x minus 3y equals to minus 15, 3x minus 5 equals to 0. Give them the numbers 1 and 2. So solve 2, that's easier instead of solving 1 and 2 together. So 3x equals to 5, x equals to 5 by 3. Put it in 1, you get 2 into 5 by 3 minus 3y equals to minus 15. Okay, so 3y equals to on this side minus 15 on this side. So 10 upon 3 plus 15. So 55 upon 3. Therefore y equals to 55 upon 9. So these are the two values, 5 by 3 and 55 by 9. Okay, quite easier one. Let's go for B. 2x minus 1 minus y equals to 1 and 4x plus 3y equals to 27. Again simpler one. Multiply 1 by 3. Why? Because here it is 3y and here it is single y. So you can multiply and it becomes 3y and then you just add it. So 6x minus 3y equals to 3. That it becomes 3 now. Now 3 plus 2. What happens? 6x plus 4x 10x and 3y gone and this becomes 30. So x equals to 3. Put it in 1. It becomes 2 into 3 minus y equals to 1. So y equals to 6 minus 1, that is 5. So x equals to 3, y equals to 5. Somebody can solve it 1 into 3 instead of, somebody can do it 1 into 2 also. Then x will go and you try for y then. Okay, anyways, one and the same answer. Next, C. X plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0 and 3x minus 2y plus 7 equals to 0. When you get such type of equations, just bring the constants on the other side of equal to. So it becomes x plus 2y equals to 3 and 3x minus 2y equals to minus 7. Solve them now. So 1 plus 2, 4x equals. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.